Turn your backyard into a bounce-tastic paradise. Tired of the same old party routine? Get ready to bounce into fun with the JoyBerri Inflatable Bounce House. It's not just a bounce house, it's a whole inflatable amusement park. This extra-large bounce house features a volleyball net, basketball hoop, and even a slide. Perfect for kids and adults, it's ASTM certified for safety, so you can relax and enjoy the party. Imagine the laughter and excitement as your backyard transforms into the ultimate play zone. Head over to the product page on Amazon, summarized as JoyBerri Bounce House on AMZ, and grab yours today. Ready to make your next party unforgettable? Click the link to JoyBerri Bounce House on IMZ. Bring home the JoyBerri Inflatable Bounce House and let the good times roll. Don't wait. Your backyard paradise is just a click away.